Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to Baltimore, Inner Harbor area, for something extra special. I arrived a little late to Baltimore, about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're here for the winter collaboration at Baltimore, Maryland. So I'm not sure what to expect, really excited, so let's see what we have to see. I am so excited! And we have arrived. Hotel RL. Okay, we're getting ready to go to the Cheesecake Factory tonight. That's going to be kind of the first official meetup. I'm really excited. A bunch of fantastic creators are going to be there today. Oh, and Inspired John too. But this is going to be great. I am very excited, very nervous. Haven't met any of these people in person yet. Well, that's not true. If Susan's Creative shows up, her I've met, wonderful lady. Hopefully she will be there, but if not, everyone else is going to be brand new people. Oh, this is so exciting.
Do you have the technical subscribers?
Jay's over in the gallery.
That'll be posted on.
Okay, we got caramel and we got plain. Half plain, half caramel. You guys are gonna have to make some compromises here.
I don't care.
Thank you, John. Yeah. I knew it was not gonna have one.
I tell you what, today was awesome. I met a lot of fantastic YouTube creators. Went to the Cheesecake Factory, had a great time there. Oh my goodness, it was, again, fantastic. I just can't tell you how much I enjoyed myself talking to such great creators, having fun, joking around with them. A great first day. So hopefully I can bring you some more great information on the Baltimore collaboration. I'm exhausted, but so elated. I'm not sure I'm going to get to sleep because I had so much fun, and I'm still so hyped. But I thank you for coming along with me. Stay tuned for some more Baltimore collaboration videos, vlogs, and hopefully I can get some, maybe some interviews in here. That would be great. But until then, have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.